So I decided to sort out my clothes so that I will have enough for exactly 1 week. Yeah, let's start. So I already have 7 of each for most of the things in the dirty laundry. I only need 2 more of the trousers, 2 more of the sweatshirts, and 3 more dresses. So let's see what I have and what I will use. Okay, long trousers. I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me see. This one is without, and it's still okay. 5. Without feet, and it's okay. 6. This one is with feet, so no. This one is too thin, it's not warm, no. With feet, no. It's not it's useless, it's rotten. And this one is okay, but it's with feet, so no. I will put what I don't use anymore, won't use anymore here. Some of the t-shirts, some of the trousers and socks and underwear. Short trousers and a skirt. So this is the second black one. One of them, it's not closing anymore. It's that one, I think. Yeah, this one. The zipper doesn't work anymore. Yeah. So I love jackets more than those. But I like the colors of those more. I can also wear one of those. I don't know. I think I will keep those. And what about those two? Are they too much? One, two, three, four. No, actually I only have 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7. And these are, if it's extra cold, then I wear this together with a jacket. Long trousers. So short trousers. This is a long one, and it's a good one. This is not so good because of this, and it's very loose without that, so I'll toss that. This is very skinny. I don't like this one. I'll toss it. 2 more of those. Yeah, I think you can never have enough of those, and they are very small. This is perfect, and this is for swimming pools. And the skirt, don't like them. I think they are so small I can keep them. Okay. Keep this. So that's more towels. I don't need the green screen really. I'll toss it. And there is a lot of black parts of, I think, a bag that wasn't good anymore. Okay. And so I think the rest is okay. I think I have to, yeah, take this all out. Because there are those black things from that bag. Back in the bag. Back in the bag. Not much more left. Okay. Don't like this. I love this. I will use this for t-shirts, but I have to put it somewhere in between. Sometimes I like it, sometimes not. I will put it here as a maybe place. When it's very cold in winter, I think. Don't like this anymore. That one either. It's too short. Sometimes I like this. That's for swimming. Too short. That's underwear. Sometimes I like it, sometimes not. Don't like it. That's useful. Don't like it. When it's cold. Okay. And of those three, I only keep the black one. Okay. Very good. Very, very good. I'm happy with my decisions. That's a lot less. And it's still enough for winter and summer and for 7 days. Of no matter which weather. And this all is not necessary anymore. It's a lot. Lot more space for me.